ready?
Roll tape. Roll camera.
Action.
And cut. Let's shoot like this.
Roll camera. Rolling. Action.
We have Mr. P.K. Mittal, Head of Sales and Marketing, ELF. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Tell us a little more about your product.
When you are using a bike on a racing track, a 1% drop in the performance of a bike can actually cost you a race. So the expertise what we have developed for the racing bikes on the track is the same expertise what we have brought to the Indian consumers through our products in ELF Moto. We have range of products here for the Indian consumers, and this product is having a technology called Pro-Life technology, through which it brings longer life, higher performance to the Indian bikers.
Why Shahid Kapoor for this ad, by the way? Apart from the fact that he's a real cutie, but...
The positioning what we bring is bike oil for winners. If you think of Shahid, he is a youth icon. Goes well with biking and goes well with winning. He's a winner.
Well, while Shahid Kapoor goes brum, brum, brum on the outside, let me quickly get you to meet the MD of Saints and Warriors, who's also the brainchild behind the subsidy. अब कहते हैं that an ad is only as good as its brief. How does one make bike oils equal to ELF Moto? Mr. Singh से जानते हैं.
The idea really is to create some amount of endearment, some amount of empathy, and hope that we enter this guy, the consumer's shortlist. So when someone suggests him ELF, he does not hesitate to say yes.
And the positioning of the brand in the market.
India is a country where you have a biker who owns a 100cc bike and another person could own a 1000cc bike. The positioning what we bring in this product is bike oil for winners. All these consumers who could own just a 100cc bike or a 1000cc bike, we are actually targeting those consumers who would not settle for anything less. The consumers who have this winning attitude that everything what we want to do, we want to achieve the best. So this oil brings that positioning, bike oil for winners.
It's a very zesty, game-paced ad that actually is modeled on snakes and ladders. Correct, Mr. Singh? ऐसा क्यों?
It's a metaphor, and the execution is slightly surreal. It is kept at a fairly grand scale.
I believe there's a lot of subsidy going on in this ad.
Yes, go and explore it.
आपको subsidy खेलना पसंद है?
Of course.
चलो,
Who has not played it
Who
in
has not
India?
played it? So I'm going to go and grab me a bit of subsidy and a bit of Shahid. Fahid.
Yes, thank you. Malifka. You're waiting for that, weren't you?
Fahid, I was waiting for it. So tell me just one thing.
Yes.
Have you come riding on a nice bike in this awesome mausam ki kya?
Today I didn't get my bike because I had a better one waiting out here on set for me. And so I thought I'd come here and experience the coolness of the bike that the ELF advertisement is offering.
With the ELF Moto oil in the bike that you're riding, are you taking me for a ride or no? That's the whole,
That's the whole point, that the bike can even handle you with ELF Moto in it.
Oh, well done. 2 points to you. When was the last time तुमने किसी को pillion बिठाया on the bike?
Very often. I mean, most of the times when I'm at work, if a friend is along, one gives a lift. My brother, he keeps insisting that I have to give him rides on the bike. And
Correct.
वैसे भी रास्ते में जहाँ कोई मुझे ऐसा लगा कि बेचारा इसको मैं कहीं छोड़ दूँ, मैं छोड़ देता हूँ.
So ladies, in the rains, if you're ever stuck, just remember Angutha for Fahid. Do you think you are the right choice for the brand, and why, baby?
I always like to associate with people who are known for quality over a period of time, because I think that makes them dependable, and I think that's something that I believe in. I think the idea is not to achieve success over a short span of time and then to lose the consistency. The beauty and true success always lies in consistency over time. And I think ELF is probably one of the most reputed brands. as far as lubricants are concerned, and that was one of the main reasons for which I felt that I would like to associate with them, because I've known of them for a while and I've known that they've been in the business and doing very well, proving themselves over and over again over time, which is a quality that I greatly respect.
तुम लंबी रेस के घोड़े हो, in other words.
हाँ.
Just like.
मैं घोड़े में lubricant नहीं डलता.
नहीं.
तो मैं बाइक हूँ लंबी रेस
Thank
की.
you. How is ELF different from other lubricants, since you said you put in so much research because you know you want to be associated with things?
Especially for the Indian market, I think ELF is a product which keeps the Indian consumers and their bikes revving more than, I guess, what they're used to, because it's a brand of international repute.
Shahid, you can write copy, you know this, right?
You think so?
So the next ad you should get
Employ me,
keep them revving and all.
मेरे को employ कर ले यार.
Here's what I want to know. Shoot करते हुए कितना मजा आया? I was watching you going brum brum and you know like.
I love bikes. I love speed. So when there is wind hitting your face and when you're sitting on a cool-looking bike and you're wearing a cool leather jacket and a helmet and performing like you're doing these crazy speeds, it's always good fun, and you believe like you're a rock star. So it's a good feeling.
Yeah, you are. Tell me about the tunnel shot. Now it looked very good. You know, what did you all do? Like there was a tunnel shot that was going on.
हाँ, मैं चल रहा था टनल के अंदर.
हाँ.
और फिर मैंने बाइक को देखा. और फिर लाइट्स ऑन हो गई. और मैंने डिसाइड किया कि इस बाइक के अंदर मैं ELF इंजन ऑयल डालूंगा. और फिर ये जो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट रास्ता है, इसको मैं with my conviction and with the power of ELF, I will achieve the impossible. In fact, it's quite a nice concept, because the whole concept is that there's a racetrack, and the racetrack has elements of danger. Really a difficult path, you know, which has all these different types of obstacles in the way. And my character is sitting on this bike, obviously riding his bike on this track, which has the concept of snakes and ladders. Where at different points in time snakes come into the middle of the track, and these are these very electronic, metallic-looking snakes, very different from what one is used to seeing on a board. So उसमें अलग-अलग तरह के obstacles आते हैं, and how with the help of this oil, which is extremely dependable, and a great cool bike, and his expertise and his conviction in what he wants to achieve, he travels through this path, which in a way represents life, to go through different obstacles to achieve his goal.
You're right. You did say it better.
I did, don't you think? Just a wee bit.
Just
a wee bit.
आपकी फिल्म का first look reveal हुआ है?
जी, it's a beautiful film. It's a film which is very, very close to my heart.
Yes, we've been hearing about it.
And it's been quite a journey. And yes, I'm really looking forward.
Yeah, are there bikes in this one? Because तुम्हारा और बाइक्स का रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है ना?
There is. इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें चलाई हैं. मैंने बाइक चलाई है, एरोप्लेन उड़ाया है, मैंने साइकिल चलाई है, स्कूटर चलाई है, गाड़ी चलाई है, कुछ नहीं छोड़ा मैंने.
और क्या आ रहा है?
There is Mausam, and there is a film that I'm shooting with Kunal Kohli, which has got me and Priyanka, and that's again a love story. And then there's an action film which I want to do, which I'm searching for a script for. So the day I find that, which is what's on my agenda next. Actually.
Till then you're doing action in the ad and all that.
Yeah,
Man,
man, life's good.
Three like tips to ride a bike most beautifully in this season after putting in.
Beautifully तो मैं नहीं बोलूँगा, I'll say coolly बोलूँगा.
हाँ, coolly वही.
हाँ, पहले तो helmet पहनो. That's the most important thing. Safety is most important. Secondly, only ride on roads which are meant to be ridden fast in
Which
case you're
needs
planning
nothing
to
more.
ride fast. And thirdly, I think ride for yourself. I think ride for the feeling of freedom. I think it's beautiful to feel that feeling where you're just where the wind is hitting your face and you're just enjoying yourself and in the moment, in the zone. It gives me a great sense of freedom.
मुझे अब अपने सारे मतलब बाइक्स और ऑटोमोबाइल्स के बारे में बताना. What all do you have and like what all?
Right now I have a Range Rover, which is my off-roader, which is very correct for Indian roads, especially Mumbai roads. You need off-roaders on these roads.
Yeah.
Then I have a Mercedes E-Class, which is for shorter travel, and which is sometimes I take it out when I have the time. And I have two bikes. I have this bike called the MT-01, which is a Yamaha, which is a 1600cc street bike. Beautiful bike, lovely bike. I love riding it. And then I have a Harley Davidson Fat Boy.
Oh my God.
Which is my favorite of them all, because I think it's genuinely the easiest bike to ride and the most fun.
We all know what engine oil goes into your bikes, sir.
Of course.
Say
Was that even a question? ELF Motor Oil.
right, ladies and gentlemen, you've just watched the making of the Elf Moto commercial. आप कुछ दिनों में इस ad को भी देख लेंगे. आपने शाहिद को देख लिया, आपने उसकी super cool bike को देख लिया. मेरा उसको देखना बाकी रह गया है. So I'm going to go on that much promised ride by Shahid Kapoor. Till then, you remember what runs his bike. It's Elf Moto, bike oil for winners.